Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what truly makes a startup stand out from the crowd. In today's fast-paced startup ecosystem, standing out isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. With countless innovative ideas emerging every day, the competition is fierce. A startup's ability to differentiate itself can make all the difference between getting noticed by investors and customers, or getting lost in the noise. Think about it. How many startups do you come across and immediately forget about them because they don't leave a lasting impression? One of the biggest hurdles startups face is the struggle to be seen as unique. Many offer similar products or services, making it tough to stand out. Without a clear differentiation strategy, startups risk blending in with the crowd. I've seen many talented entrepreneurs with game-changing ideas fail to gain traction simply because they couldn't articulate what sets them apart. And let's not forget, in a crowded market, the stakes are high. One misstep and you risk being overlooked. So, what can startups do to carve out their niche? For starters, having a unique value proposition is key. This means offering something that no one else does, or doing it in a way that's distinctly different. Branding also plays a crucial role. It's not just about having a logo, but about the story and values your startup represents. Engaging with your customers on a personal level can turn them into advocates for your brand. And let's not underestimate the power of innovation. Whether it's in your product, service, or business model, innovation can be a major differentiator. A great example of a startup that effectively stood out is Airbnb. When they first launched, the concept of staying in someone's home while traveling was nothing new, but they managed to package it in a way that felt both exciting and trustworthy. Their focus on community and unique experiences helped them differentiate from traditional hotels and vacation rentals. Today, Airbnb is a household name, and their innovative approach to travel accommodations has disrupted an entire industry. What's impressive is how they've maintained that sense of community and innovation over the years. They've also done a great job of listening to their users and adapting to their needs. As a result, they've built a loyal following. Their success story serves as a reminder that with creativity and determination, any startup can make its mark. To wrap it up, standing out in the startup world requires creativity, innovation, and a deep understanding of what makes your business unique. Whether it's through a compelling value proposition, strong branding, or customer engagement, differentiation is crucial for success. What do you think makes a startup stand out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content on entrepreneurship and startup growth, be sure to check out my other videos.